how to fix Valorant black screen on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to go here, of course, on our desktop. And then once we are now on the desktop, the next thing that we need to do on the search bar is to just search for Valorant. Once you search that, just click open file location. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click properties. And then in this part, just click the compatibility right here. And then in this part, make sure that you enable the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Also, make sure to enable disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as an administrator. So once you do that, once you enable that, all you have to do is to click apply and then click OK. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here again on the search bar and then search for services. So click that one right here. And then once you're here, just scroll down until you see the name VGC. So just look for the name VGC, which is right here. So what we're going to do is right click on it and then click on properties. And then if you can change it, try to change the startup type from manual to automatic. And then after that, click apply and then OK. After that, just restart your PC or laptop and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how to fix Valorant black screen on Windows 11.